Hi, it's the voice of reasons. Dr. Shiva, who invented email when he was 14 and untouchable from India, he now has 4 degrees from MIT. He says to stay healthy from COVID-19, keep your immune system strong. Your body will protect you. Then why do they wear masks? They wear a mask to hide their shame for causing suffering and pain to the animals, fish, and their eggs. They're the reason the animals bled, so they can be fed the dead. That's why they wear masks, to hide their shame and their blame, to hide the trail of suffering and pain they cause the armless animals. Okay? You're welcome for the information from the voice of reasons.